What's going on, everybody? This is MrSettin007. We're working on the W124 chassis, Mercedes. This is a 1992 400E. We're working on the windshield wiper assembly. We're going to be taking it apart to pop it out, get it ready.
The separator here. I know it's not easy to pop out. Let's see. Well, I think what I'm going to do is remove this one first. Take that out. Go. This Milwaukee's no joke. Ain't no joke. Alright, I made all the markings to try and make sure everything will line up the way it should when it comes out. Screwdriver. This one, the blower motor is working. Let me just put that in there so you can hear it. Working nice. Auto, high. Whenever you put it on, the defroster is going to be high automatically. You put it on the other one, then you can test high, low, or auto, depending on how you set the AC, and then off. So it's working perfect. So now I got to look at the wiper. Oh, this is what I was looking for earlier. I gotta see if I need a new the plastic gears inside for this wiper or not. There we go. So that's loose. Now let me work on this. Let's see if I can get that loose. If it can come off that easy, that would be perfect. Will it? I'm not sure, but I marked it. You know what? I gotta mark. Let me mark the screw head too, actually. Make sure. Everything lines up. Probably should have did that on this. Let's see. Maybe it doesn't matter. Guess we'll find out. Okay, let's see if I could remove this. I haven't used this puller, but I'm gonna use it now. Oh, I didn't need to use it. Perfect. Alright, so this came off. Now I think I have to, how do I get this off? I assume this kind of slides off, maybe. Oh boy. What do I do now with this? Oh, this has this kind of like zip tie thing. Shit. Damn. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is oh, let me see. That'll be that. That'll be this. Interesting. This is let me see if I can get just that off. Maybe that'll work. Well, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'm definitely winging it. That's for sure. I am winging it. Where is my drill? There we go. Okay. And I need the screw. Probably jumped off when I do it. Oh no. Not there. Shoot.
Alright, so let me just use
I have no idea where it went. What's this? Alright guys, let me know what you're thinking. I'm not too sure about this right here. I'm gonna see if I could get it open by just loosening this. I'm not sure. I think it's supposed to be 3 in total. Worst comes to worst, I'll just have to cut that piece off and remove this rubber boot on the outside. It definitely looks like this may have, oh shit, may have been changed before. Get that.
let's see, here we go.
Here. Get to see what may or may not work. I know I tried opening this before, so I believe there might be other screws that are buried behind here. But up top, I'm not seeing anything, so I'm still somewhat confused as to what may be holding this thing. Trying to figure it out. There's another screw here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what else will be holding this on. I don't see any other screws, but could be. If there's something else was supposed to come up. Just a circlip? Oh, maybe. Okay, so looks like there is a circlip here. Yes. Let me get that off. Alright, back to business. Trying to get the circlip out. There we go. There it is. And this is the other piece. We'll see how this thing goes back together, that's for sure. Don't know. Okay, so this is the other piece of that. So I can bring this off. It's another piece. And another one. Okay. Alright, so this is what happens. So the other piece didn't need to come out. So this is good. This is probably bad. Oh yeah. Tore from the floor up. Look at that. Okay, so you know what happens now. We got to replace the teeth here because these are ground and bad. So now I'm gonna have to take this off so I can get to these screws that hold this in. So now we know what you got to do. You put that screw back. So that doesn't need to come out. So it's the bolts, circlips, washers to get to this mechanism that controls this pump. So that's what happens. So I'm going to order the teeth in here. There's screws, I believe, on the outside of this, so I'm going to have to take this off. Get to that. And This will come off. Remove those screws. All right. Get these off. This is going to be another fiasco when I'm putting it back together to get everything lined up. Stay tuned for that.
Make sure you continue to stay tuned,
Support the channel. I'm going to see if I can just cut that off. And let me see, those should be, like I said, screws. Sometimes I think these are supposedly reusable, but I don't really know how these work. So, not at all. Supposed to be able to squeeze them together, and then it releases it. Anyway, I'll just probably use a zip tie to put it back.
At the end, I was able to get this piece out, and you'll see in the other video as a short where it shows the piece apart, and I'm looking at the gear inside.